Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to print a nozzle check pattern and how to clean the printhead on Canon Maxify Mb5450 model. So first I will show you how to print the nozzle check pattern to check the printhead. Go to setup, then maintenance and print nozzle check pattern. Confirm with yes and wait for the printout. Now I will show you. There are missing colors, missing lines, but I need to get this result, the perfect result. So I have to make the printhead cleaning. So we have to confirm what is the situation with all of the colors. Then when I confirm, the printer is asking me if I want to start the cleaning. Just press yes and the printhead cleaning will start. Now, if you know that your printhead is clogged and needs cleaning, just go to setup, maintenance, and you can see here we have cleaning and deep cleaning. Be sure you have ink in your tanks before start the cleaning process. So that's it. Thank you very much. Good luck.